Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a piece of tech that promises to change the way we communicate: the XG99 Smart Headphones. They claim to be a real-time translator, letting you have a conversation with someone in another language just by wearing them. But is this a game changer, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out if this is a translator or hype. The marketing of the XG99 is all about breaking down language barriers. They promise a world where you can travel to any country, meet anyone, and have a seamless conversation without needing to speak a word of their language. They highlight features like real-time translation. The headphones are supposed to pick up what a person is saying and instantly translate it into your language. AI-powered accuracy. The company claims to use a sophisticated AI engine to make the translations fluid and natural, not robotic. Universal compatibility. They claim to work with dozens of languages and connect to your phone via an app. On paper, this sounds like a dream come true for travelers and business professionals. When you look beyond the buzzwords, the truth about the tech becomes clear. It is not truly real time. While the translation is fast, it's not truly instantaneous. There is always a small but noticeable delay. This can make a conversation feel clunky and unnatural, a lot like talking on a walkie-talkie. The AI has limits. The AI is impressive, but it can struggle with slang, sarcasm, and complex sentences. It works best with simple, direct phrases. If you are trying to have a nuanced conversation, you might run into some confusing translations. The app is essential. The headphones don't work on their own. They need to be connected to an app on your phone, which does most of the heavy lifting. This means you still need a phone with a data connection to use them, which can be a problem in some places. The bottom line is that while the technology is impressive, it is not perfect and it doesn't quite live up to the real-time promise. So, is the XG99 a genuine translator or just hype? The truth is, it's a bit of both. It is not a magical translator that makes you instantly fluent in another language. It is a tech gadget that provides a very useful, albeit flawed, translation service. The real issue is the marketing. The promise of a seamless conversation is the hype. The reality is a helpful but clunky tool. My final verdict is that it is a decent product if you have the money to spend on it for basic communication while traveling. But if you are looking for a serious tool for business or deep conversations, you are better off using a dedicated app on your phone or, even better, learning a few key phrases.